Are you an anthropology enthusiast or a UGC net aspirant aiming for success? You've landed in the right place. Welcome to Anthronet Academy. At Anthronet Academy, we specialize in simplifying anthropology concepts, tackling tricky MCQs, and guiding you through comprehensive preparation strategies for UGC net and beyond. With engaging content, insightful lessons, and a community of dedicated learners, we're here to make your journey not just easier but exciting. Subscribe now and take the first step toward mastering anthropology and achieving your academic goals. Unit 2. Topic 2.5 Pre-Hominid Groups. Contents. Sahelanthropus cadensis. Ornithogenensis. Ardipithecus ramidus. Sahelanthropus cadensis. Sahelanthropus cadensis is an important species in paleoanthropology and provides significant insights into early human evolution. Early hominin with a mix of ape-like and human-like traits. General overview. Scientific name, Sahelanthropus cadensis. Nickname, Tumai, a local name in Chad meaning hope of life. Discovery, found in 2001 by Michel Brunet and his team in the Jurub Desert of Chad, Central Africa. Key features. 1. Age and dating. Lived approximately 7 to 6 million years ago, late Miocene epoch. One of the oldest known species in the human lineage. 2. Fossil evidence. Fossils include a nearly complete cranium, jaw fragments, and teeth. The cranium, nicknamed Tumai, shows a mix of primitive and advanced traits. 3. Physical traits. Cranium. Small brain size, about 360 to 370 cubic centimeters, comparable to modern chimpanzees. Flat face with reduced prognathism, less snout-like than apes. Teeth. Small canines with wear patterns indicating non-specialized diets and possibly less male competition. Bipedality. The position of the foramen magnum, where the spinal cord enters the skull, suggests it may have been capable of upright walking, though this is debated. Environment. The fossils were found in what would have been a mosaic habitat of forests, grasslands, and lakes during the Miocene. This diverse environment likely influenced the species' adaptations. Significance. 1. Early divergence. Lies close to the divergence point of the human lineage from the last common ancestor with chimpanzees. Represents a transition phase with both ape-like and hominin traits. 2. Implications for bipedalism. The potential for early bipedality challenges previous assumptions that bipedalism developed later in the human lineage. 3. Geographic importance. Found in Chad, which is far from the East African Rift Valley, traditionally considered the cradle of humanity. This expands the geographic range of early hominins. Ornithogenensis. Ornithogenensis is an important early hominin species discovered in 2000 in the Tugen Hills of Kenya. The species name refers to original man in the local Tugen language. Dated to approximately 6 million years ago, it provides significant insights into the evolution of bipedalism and early human ancestry. General overview. Scientific name, Ornithogenensis. Nickname, Millennium Man, reflecting its discovery near the turn of the millennium. Discovery, found in 2000 by a team led by Bridget Sennett and Martin Pickford in the Tugen Hills of Kenya, East Africa. Key features. 1. Age and dating. Lived approximately 6 million years ago, late Miocene epoch. Among the earliest known hominins, near the time of the divergence from the last common ancestor with chimpanzees. 2. Fossil evidence. Fossils include parts of the femur, jawbone fragments, isolated teeth, and hand and arm bones. The remains were found in 5 different sites within the Tugen Hills region. 3. Physical traits. Teeth. Small molars with thick enamel, suggesting a diet that included hard, fibrous foods like nuts or seeds. Reduced canine size compared to apes. Postcranial skeleton. The femur shows adaptations for bipedal locomotion, including a thickened femoral neck and muscle attachment sites indicative of upright walking. However, the arms and hands suggest it retained climbing abilities, indicating a mixed arboreal and terrestrial lifestyle. Environment. The fossils were discovered in what would have been a wooded and forested environment with some open areas. This habitat suggests Auroran may have adapted to both arboreal and ground-based living, a transitional phase in hominin evolution. Significance. 1. Early bipedality. The femur is one of the earliest and clearest pieces of evidence for bipedal locomotion in hominins. Its structure provides clues about the evolution of walking upright, a defining characteristic of hominins. 2. Timing of human ancestor divergence. Lived close to the estimated time of divergence between humans and our closest living relatives, the chimpanzees and bonobos. 3. Insights into evolution. Aurorantugenensis helps bridge the gap between later hominins and the last common ancestor shared with apes. Key fossil sites. Tugan Hills, Kenya, specifically, sites like Cheboit and Kapsamin yielded most of the fossils, providing insights into the paleo environment and the species' adaptations. Ardipithecus ramidus. Ardipithecus ramidus is a pivotal species in paleoanthropology, offering valuable insights into the early stages of human evolution. General overview. Scientific name, Ardipithecus ramidus. Nickname, Ardi, refers to the most complete fossil found from the species. Discovery, first discovered in 1992 by a team led by Tim White in the Middle Awash region of Ethiopia. Age, dated to approximately 4.4 million years ago, early Pliocene epoch. Key features. 1. Fossil evidence. Over 110 specimens, including skull, teeth, pelvis, hands, and feet. The most famous specimen, Ardi, is a partial skeleton of an adult female. 2. Physical traits. Cranial capacity. Small brain size, 300-350 cubic centimeters, similar to modern chimpanzees. Teeth. Reduced canine size compared to modern apes. Less sexual dimorphism in canine size, suggesting reduced male-male aggression. Thin molar enamel compared to later hominins, indicating a diet of softer plant materials. Postcranial skeleton. Pelvis structure suggests adaptations for both climbing and limited bipedal walking. Opposable big toe, hallux, and flexible foot, ideal for grasping and climbing. Long arms and fingers indicate significant arboreal activity. Environment. Fossils were found in a wooded environment, not open savannas as traditionally associated with early hominins. The habitat included forests, shrubs, and grasslands, suggesting a species adapted to both arboreal and terrestrial niches. Significance. 1. Evolutionary placement. One of the earliest hominins, Ardipithecus ramidus, helps bridge the gap between the last common ancestor with chimpanzees and later species like Australopithecus. Suggests a more gradual transition from arboreal to terrestrial living. 2. Bipedality. While capable of upright walking, Ardipithecus retained significant adaptations for climbing, marking an early stage in the evolution of bipedality. The pelvis shows a combination of primitive and derived traits that suggest both climbing and upright walking abilities. 3. Social behavior. Reduced canine size and enamel patterns hint at changes in social structures, possibly less aggressive male competition and a more cooperative social system. 4. Challenges the savanna hypothesis. The presence of Ardipithecus in a forested environment contradicts earlier ideas that bipedality evolved in open savanna settings. Middle Awash, Ethiopia. The primary site where most Ardipithecus ramidus fossils have been unearthed. Provides rich sedimentary context for dating and environmental reconstruction. Map showing location of Sahelanthropus. Ardipithecus. Ramidus. Kadaba. And Orontogenesis. Upcoming topic 2.6 Early Hominids. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time and support. Subscribe to Anthronet Academy for more engaging content on anthropology. Please like, share, and comment on this video to help us grow. Stay connected. We're here to support your UGC NET exam journey to success.